Okay, my name is Alfonso Dona, president of the Marverley Hughenden Football Club, standing in for the coach. The coach could make it, circumstances beyond our control.
All right, Alfonso, as the president, as the players would say, Prezi.
Yeah, quite so.
This is a big thing for your club right now.
Yes.
Going up against a really good opponent.
Yes.
Have you seen them so far this season?
Well, I've seen them once in a match up by Barbican Field against New Kingston, which was the second runner-up in their zone. So, I've had a look at them.
And having that vital look at them, I do believe that one and two players might see your team, but you get the opportunity to get a good look at them, analyzing the team. Do you think that you have found out ways in which you can get the better of them so far?
Well, we have had our look, and it's a good team, but we're not scared really, because we are the champions, and we have not surrendered that trophy as yet. So anybody that comes along will have to fight for that, So we know it is going to be a competitive matchup, because they are a really good squad.
Since you have been the president of Marverley, how many times have you seen your team in a semi-finals? Well,
we won the league last season, and we actually won that without losing a match. So we had one draw. So, I think we are up to it. We are mentally prepared, and we're taking it a match at a time.
Yeah, for someone like you who's been there, done that, been in a situation like that before, would you say you have taken the time out to meet with some of the players and just speak with them, tell them the importance of this and what's the nature that's at stake right now?
Yeah, man, we had other conversations. They are prepared because the majority of the players, they have been in situations like this before. So, we are prepared.
Not just a title-winning team, you guys still have experience in the squad.
Yes.
How important, because even though you go up against a strong team, they don't have a lot of experience. We are at this level, playing, going to the finals or semi-finals and regular season. How important is that level of that bit of experiences in tipping the hat to one side?
Yes, man. We have a few experienced players. We have actually had players that have played at the highest level in Jamaica, Premier League and so on. So we have that experience. We have some youth as well. So we know that the JDF is a very hard-running team, very fit team. So we know to balance it, And as I said, we know it is going to be a very good contest, but I think we are up to the mark.
All right, President.
Yes.
Thank you very much again, and congratulations on reaching the semi-finals.
Yes.
And we'll see how we go from there. And big up,
Yeah, man, and thanks.